Oh my god, what is this? I guess I have to do an unboxing now with this treasure chest right in front of my conveniently placed camera. Let's go!
Doing your mom, doing your mom, doing your mom,
Greetings, my fellow, people. And as you saw in the beginning, I have received a treasure chest from the sky. Well, since it's Good Friday, maybe Jesus sent it. Who knows? And we got a letter. The front says, "Letter for the roast with the most." That is me. Let's see what's inside. You are YouTube channel poo poo. Here is some cursed stuff from Iran land. Bye. I'm not making this up. This is what it says, guys. Well, I don't know if the guy was talking about Iran or Ireland. Maybe it's both. But let's get into this. Let's unlock this. Okay. Let's see the first stuff. Well, the kind little fella sent us some magic gold. Hopefully it's magic. Maybe it's legal tender in Iran land. Oh, we don't need it. Oh, some more. Yay. What's this? I have... We don't need it. World's dying from global stuff anyway. More Iran currency. Useless. How's this cursed? He sent us a wooden die. Let's see if my fortune is any good. It's a 3. You magicians in the YouTube comments tell me if a 3 is good. Oh look, it's a magic green heart. I guess they love us. I don't know if it's a he, a she, or a non-binary thing. Oh, look. Ain't that neat? Look, Mom, I can be the next Tupac. I'll rap about how hard it is on the streets and how I had to kill little Jimmy for a food stamp. Alright, fellas, I think that's going to do it for this pretty epic unboxing. I don't think this stuff was that cursed. So anyway, I'm going to go rap with my gun and talk about how I killed little Jimmy for the food stamps. Alright, peace out, fools.